bambara nut flour. I'm mixing it with warm water, not too boiled water, not lukewarm, just moderately hot water. I'm using it to make swallow. This is how I use it to make swallow. I'm using it here to avoid it having lumps. I'm making it in the process, in the way they make semovita and any other swallow you know about. This is bambara nut. I prefer it this way to the normal regular okpa. I prefer eating this to eating any other swallow. This one is more of protein content in it than other swallows like corn, gari, you know what I mean. So after turning it like this, I've mixed it because as you can see there's no lumps, does not have lumps anymore. I'll turn it to my boiling water. This is the water boiling in the, here's it. When the water boils, I will turn it. As you can see, the water is boiling. I'm not pour in the mixture. I did not mix it with any other thing, just the warm water. Mix it and pour it. And turn, stir it. I'm making a little because it's just me. And I prefer eating this. If you eat this at night, like evening, it's better than, to me, it's better than heavy starchy food. You can see the end product. This is my bambara nut flour swallow. Yes, this is how I make it to eat, especially at night or late evening. To me, it makes me feel lighter than regular, you know, the ones made with like say more gari, apple. If you're Nigerian, you know what I'm talking about. And in case you need bambara nut, not just the nut, flour, the flour like this, the flour like this, the flour like this, not flour, please, the flour like this, to make your light, rich in protein, carbohydrate, calcium, almost all the nutrients you need in just one meal. You get it here, especially for those who are not tolerant to much carbs. You can opt for this. This is a very good option, if not best option. For me, each time I eat it, I feel more relaxed, more light than any other food. Yeah, I'm about to add my soup to it now, and you watch me enjoy my food. So come join me.